I'm actually going to show you how to cut a root vegetable because it is actually a little bit difficult. It can even be dangerous. First you take the root part out, then turn it around, and I picked a beet purposely because beets are very hard. And then this gives you a flat surface. You turn it onto its side, and now you have a solid surface to work with. You just cut it at the desired thickness, all the way like this, and look how gorgeous this beet is. Isn't that amazing? And then you put it on its side again. Always work with a flat surface so that it is stable, so that you don't have to worry about it rolling all over the place and then putting your fingers in the way as you try to catch it. So you turn it and you turn it around again, and then this is the final cut, and you have nice, beautiful dices.